So in this Notes app tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create note links on the Notes app. So once the note is opened up, go ahead and type whatever you want. So just go ahead and type in note link just like this. Now, if you want to highlight an entire thing right here and you want to add a link, go ahead and highlight it where it says cut, copy, paste, delete, press the arrow. Then in the middle, press add link. Now, once you're here, you can add a link to another note. So in this case, if I were to go ahead and type in note right here, I can select any of these notes. I'll just go ahead and select note link just like that. I'll go ahead and press check mark. So this time, if we were to go ahead and press it, it'll redirect me to this note right here. So that's the simplest way to do it. Now, you can also go ahead here, note link, double tap the exact same thing. Once again, go back, press add link, and you can do a website. So if you were to type in like google.com, you can go ahead, type that in, press the check mark over here. And if you were to go ahead and press on this, it'll then redirect you to Google. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to create note links on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.